Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is global warming and global. Sorry, is before global warming. Basically, it is a currency dependency. In currency dependency, we are talking about one topic, that is the ideas, and ideas are equal to global warming. Global warming, actually, it's not error. Basically, it's somebody's trying to solve the problem. So that topic actually we are discussing. In this, basically, we reached to solution number 12. Basically, in that, basically, we reached to this whole conclusion. Basically, in this topic, basically, we are discussing 20% error, that is somebody told that finish the education. So one person told that, basically, how you can finish the education. If you are finishing the education, basically, then you have to finish the 3,75,000 city, basically, yeah? Because cities are basically created on the base of certain words, basically. So that was very dangerous thing, basically. So one of the person asked the question, how basically words are basically created, and how basically you tracked this. Then one of the person told that, how basically I tracked this, that is basically through this, basically the earthquake, basically, which is coming in each and every country, basically. Just see, basically, the earthquake, just see, basically these earthquakes are basically, see this whole earthquake in India, basically. Which earthquake, basically, in just a minute, latest earthquake in India, basically. So in India, basically, latest earthquake basically is Nepal and India border, that is 2.7, basically. Before that, Italy was there, and this is Western Turkey, basically. So these all are earthquake, basically, right? Then one of the person told that yes, basically these all are earthquakes. So these all earthquake basically are connected with directly with city only, city creation. That you agree? Then basically he told that yes, basically I agreed, basically, that all creation basically are connected with the city's creation, basically. Then one of the person told that yes, basically it's connected with the city creation, right? Then he told that yes, basically it's connected with the city creation. So now basically one of the person told, so where this might be, where the city basically might be located, basically. Sorry, everything is, each and every word basically is created from cities, right? Basically. So one of the person told that, do we have the software, basically, which says that basically Vadodara city has created this many words, Mumbai city has created this many words, Calcutta city has created this many words, Bangladesh has created this many words, Pakistan has created this many words, um, Dubai has created this many words, Abu Dhabi has created this many words, Ajman has created this many words, then Kuwait has created this many words, then by Saudi Arab basically has created this many words, USA has created this many words, UK has created this many words, Italy has created this many words, Peru has created this many words, Sudan has created this many words, Uganda has created this many words, South Africa has created this many words. So how basically you can say that, basically, that this country has created these many words? So one of the number one software company literally basically told that, basically we have the data, basically. If you want, basically we can share to you. He was also basically connected in this debate, basically. This is actually debate ongoing, basically. And in this, basically, somebody is trying to find out the that also, basically, why Sunil R Nair is not getting the job. So in that, basically, one of the in debate, basically, one of the person told that yes, basically I have basically the this is actually debate means basically in one room, in hall, basically one debate is ongoing. So one of the person told that basically I have the um, software, basically, which basically handles the entire mapping, basically, that this city has created this many words, and this many words basically are connected to this many planets. And this city, basically, for example, in Vadodara city, 100 city, sorry, 100 buildings are basically generating these all words, basically. And that words, basically, one of the person told that, is this connect, this dictionary and this cities creation are connected with text box equal to 1,000 cities? Yes. Text box, in text box, basically you write what, basically you write set of characters, and set of character are equal to words, basically, that you write. Then into that, yes, basically that is a very dangerous thing, basically. Text box process is basically very dangerous thing, basically. So one of the person told that basically, so basically up to what level basically we have reached 20 percentage error, basically that means 20 percentage error is there basically. That is 100% sure basically 20 percentage error is there basically after this whole conclusion basically. So one of the person told that the 2 lakh, 3 lakh basically. Previously it was 75, 1 lakh 75, then 2 lakh, then now 3 lakh 75,000. So now one of the person told that 3 lakh 75,000 city basically has created. In this basically the 6 crore words basically are created, which is mostly created by Oxford Dictionary Group basically, mostly basically, and that basically dictionary contains in front of the world basically, right? That dictionary name is basically in front of the world. That also everybody knows what is in front of the word. Now basically one of the person told that 6 crore is the word basically, right? Oxford Dictionary has created. Yes, basically 6 crore is the word here basically. So one of the person told, yeah, 6 crore is the word. On the basis of that word basically 3,75,000 cities created, not city basically. Cities created, then basically it's very dangerous. That means error is there basically. So one of the person told that basically, can we basically separate the words basically who created which words basically? Then he told that yes, basically if you want to know basically how many Hindi words are there, how many Sanskrit words are there, basically each and every words basically we can pick that word basically from where it was created. Just see up to what level the things are going to connect. Just see basically. Now basically one of the person told that, yeah, the English words are basically there, right? Basically, and English words basically are getting used in 90 percentage countries basically, and Russia don't use English a single word also basically. That means that group basically knows that this type of thing basically is there. Text box equal to 1,000 cities there basically. That Russian group knows basically, and Russian groups are very dangerous. That also few people says very basically. So assume that basically these videos Russian groups are also watching. Assume basically. So one of the person told that, yeah, that means Russia also know that basically, that it's very dangerous. So one of the person told that basically, where is the Russian word city basically? Can you please tell that basically? One of the English person asked basically. You have the list of that Russians. So just see basically up to what critical the data basically are, and where basically these data are kept. So assume that basically India basically is telling that basically our city basically is our India basically is each and every economics are basically handled by the in front of the world, that is Mumbai city. That means you want to say that Oxford Dictionary basically the 6 crore words basically you are handling, that basically is in Mumbai basically somewhere basically. So he told that basically in Mumbai basically might be possible basically, because each and every any problems basically occurs, so that problem basically can be shot out from Mumbai only basically, because Mumbai is handling the entire economic basically. If the any types of economics problem basically which can be found from, which is found and which will be founded basically from the cities basically, that can be solved easily basically, because entire group basically are there only. So one of the person told that basically how many words basically are created by the Indian group basically, and how many words are created by the USA group basically, how many words basically are created by the European group basically, how many words basically are created by the Sanskrit group, Sanskrit means Indian group basically, how many words basically are created by the Tamilians group, how many words are created by this group, that group basically. The literally basically the discussion basically started like this basically. Now basically what the topic was basically 20 percentage error. Now basically the Russian group also believed that basically yes, yeah, basically Russian group actually know basically that 20 percentage error is basically there, because they are handling the most of words also basically, the software of the words basically, that this software word is basically connected with this city, and this city basically has created more than 1,000 buildings, and basically text box equal to 1,000 cities, and 1,000 cities basically connected with these all words basically which computer can use basically. That is the in text box basically, whenever you write the word basically there basically that it's connected with the 1,000 cities basically. So like this basically the debate has reached to text box equal to 1,000 city, and that city exists.